Let me see. I've got some other questions here. Let me see. I've got some people watching. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me see here. Hakeem says, let me see. Is there a question from Hakeem? He said, "Is there a way to get practice on any GRC tools?" Yeah, yeah. So there's a couple of GRC tools you can use. I could show you some of the GRC tools. The best GRC tools would be things like EMAS. You cannot get a hold of that one. Or maybe you can. I don't know how to do it, but EMAS is like a government database where you're doing SSPs, system security plans, and you're doing SAPs, security assessment plans, and you're doing allows you to do reports, plan of action and milestones, all that kind of stuff. But tools you can use that will help you out with GRC um, type jobs. It would be, yeah, and JP said it. He said the SCAP enabled tools. Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what I was about to go to. So if you want to find those, you'll go to, well, I'll just type in STIG viewer. STIG, there's something called STIG viewer. I don't know how that just happened. STIG viewer, STIG. Wow, what am I doing? Not on the home row keys. What am I? I don't know what's going on with this thing right now. Must be me. It's got to be me. Yep, it's me. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. Yep, it's me. I'm trying to do a search and it's not allowing me. Anyway, STIG viewer, and I actually have it loaded on this computer, so maybe I'll see if I can grab it. There's something called STIG. Go to Google, type in STIG viewer. That's one tool. Another one's called SCC, which is a compliance tool. STIG viewer is probably one of the best. And then another one, let me see what's another one that you could use. Compliance tools. You can use scanners. There's some scanners. You get a 7-day trial with Nessus Tenable. That's one you could use. You've got one of the best tools, all around tools you can use is VMware. If you want to invest in yourself a little bit of money, VMware is a really good tool to use. VMware will allow you to run several different operating systems, and then you can what you can do is start hardening that system. That means putting the security controls on it, and then run the STIG viewer against it. And then I got a video where I did this live. So yeah, you could do that. Those are some tools that you could use. Unfortunately, you can't use the good tools like EMAS would be good. Exacta would be really good. Archer would be excellent, but it's just those are too integrated into organizations to be able to use those. Hope that answers your question. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, JP also mentioned Nessus, nmap. Was that from another question? Let me see. Thanks, JP and Bruce. Yep, no problem, man. I wish I could show you. I'm trying to. I don't know what happened. My keyboard is it's trying to bring. I don't know. I must have typed something. Wow. I don't know what's going on. And I'm live and I can't do anything about it right now. So I don't know. Let me answer some more questions while I try to figure out what's going on. Okay.